In this tutorial, you will learn tips for helping you to manage digital information overload. In today's high-speed digital world, it's not unusual for someone to have multiple email accounts, social media, and messaging accounts for work and personal use. The problem becomes how you can manage all of these accounts so they don't become a distraction. Frequently checking email, social media, and text significantly hampers your productivity. So, what can you do to manage digital information overload? Here are 3 tips to help you tame the electronic jungle. Number 1. Establish a time for checking email. Many people regularly check their email, eating up valuable time. To reduce the time you spend checking email, block specific times out on your calendar for reading and categorizing emails. Most emails that you receive can wait a few hours, and often the issue will resolve themselves on their own. When you do get to check your emails, create a category system that prioritizes them based on their urgency and relevance. This will allow you to deal with every email by either deleting them or moving them out of your inbox. Number 2. Determine which social media accounts you really need. After determining which social media accounts you really need, only check work-related social media accounts while at work. For the other social media accounts that aren't related to your work, schedule specific times, like in the morning, during your lunch break, or just before the close of businesses to check out these accounts. Number 3. Turn off your phone and limit texting to specific times. Unless you have to use your smartphone for work, keep it off while in the office, scheduling time throughout the day to check for and send text messages. If you are able, have coworkers and family contact you via your office phone if there is an emergency, or through email for less important matters. In today's digital age, we are inundated with an overwhelming amount of information. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help you manage the digital information overload that you've become subjected to, helping you to free up your time and improve your focus.